Thank you for signing up and welcome to TourSoft. This will be the first screen you see after completing your purchase. To get started, let's dive right into editing some basic text. First thing we want to do is just scroll down, and editing text is as simple as using any other word processing software. You just double click and you can see that we're all ready to edit text. I can delete it, type it back. I can double click a word to select it, edit. And when I'm ready to move to another block, all I have to do is click that as well. Now you can see that over here on the left in the Edit Text Editor panel, our text appeared here to the left as well. Here we can type whatever we want and it will also show up in the box. So you're welcome to use either one of these places to add the text, whatever is most convenient for you.